everyone, welcome back to Gupta & Sen's Fabulous Home for Sale channel. I am Tanya and today I am at Mumbai's famous Juhu Beach. Today I'm going to be showcasing a beautiful ultra-modern compact 4 BHK villa. Juhu is one of the most happening and beautiful suburbs to live in, and a lot of celebrities live in this area. Today I'm going to be showcasing you a 4 BHK compact beautiful villa where I'm standing right now. It is at the Golden Beach Society in Juhu, and I am very excited to show it to you guys. Let's check it out. So I have just entered the villa, and it is actually a ground plus 2 level plus terrace structure apartment. As you can see, it is designed in a very modern way by the owner, and that's what I heard before, but now I think it is. So this is the living space where I am right now, and there's a couch here. There are 2 nice sofas which I really like because they are so colorful. It has a lot of natural lighting. If you see, there's a big window right here which makes sure that there's enough natural light falling in the living area. So after the living space, there is this open kitchen area, and on this side of mine there are these bar chairs. You can have your drinks here, you can even have your meals here, it's up to you. Then there is this kitchen area, so you can keep your microwave here like they have kept. You can cook this side. There's a washing machine on this side, so it's up to you how you want to modify it. But right now, as I said, it is fully furnished. They have designed it this way. There's a cabinet here to keep all your utensils or anything, maybe books also. There is also one powder room which I will just quickly let you have a glimpse. So moving on, there's a dining space area here which is so lit. You can see there is again a window here which again gives a lot of natural light here. This is pretty nice, it's very warm. So now I'm gonna head to the first level. I want to let you know guys that there is also a lift here which takes you to the first level or the second level, but there are also staircase if you want to burn some calories, which I'm gonna do. So now I am heading to the first level of the ground plus 2 level plus terrace apartment, as I told you guys earlier. Let's check it out. So I have just entered one of the bedroom of the villa, and it's quite basic but very elegant. It is white themed. It has a wardrobe on my right hand side. There is a balcony, a wrapped balcony right here. Not just that, there's also a window on the other side, so there is a lot of natural lighting, as I said before, in the room also. There's a comfy bed. There are few square-shaped shelves here to keep your decorative items or anything you want to store here, like books or showpieces, anything. And then, did I tell you about the window? So there is also a window here, which doesn't really have a very fantastic view, but right now it just has trees, but you can actually see who's coming from there and what's happening down there. Other than that, there are these 2 very cute looking chairs with a nice lamp right here where you can just read or probably have your meals here. It's a very basic room but very modern at the same time. Didn't I tell you that owner has made it really modern? Let's check out the other room. So there's an attached washroom right here. There's a basin, there is a small utility storage cabin. Then there is bathing area that side, and a small, average, not small, but medium sized mirror placed. Yeah, it's slightly compact but very squeaky clean and good enough for such a bedroom. Now I'm gonna head to another bedroom, so come with me. So now I'm entering the master bedroom, which is right adjacent to the room which I showed you earlier. And let me take a moment and tell you how spacious this is. Check it out. It has so much of space. This side, that side. It's great. There's also a wardrobe here and there's a study table which I see. What I really liked about this room is this massive window right here. Let me show you. So there is this massive window from this side to this side, and there is also another one that side. And you can actually see a lot of trees from here. Check it out. I think I like this balcony because I think in the morning it will, or even in the evening, it will throw a lot of sunlight. And there are so many trees out here. I think I can even catch a rickshaw from here. No, not gonna demonstrate. Now there's also can I call it a master bathroom? It's so huge. Check it out. Again, it is so spacious as I told you earlier. It is very modern, very elegant and simple at the same time. This is the bathing area on my left hand side. This is a wardrobe wherein you can keep your towels, your clothes. You can hang in whatever you want here, your hangers, you can keep your shoes. There are so many like open drawers, and then there are two basins actually here. There are like drawers to keep your utilization stuff here. It's like any other bathroom, but very, very spacious, and the design is amazing. So now we're gonna head to the second level. Again, you can take stairs, you can take lift. I'm gonna burn more calories. Let's take stairs. This is the lift just in case you need that information. Now I'm heading to the second level, and I heard there are 2 rooms there also. Let's check it out. Now I'm entering the first room of the second level. Am I having a deja vu? Because this looks exactly the same like how the other room was at the first floor, right? It's exact replica. That's a good thing, because then if I had this room or my brother had a fight which room he or I want, then it's a good thing. So we don't have to fight with who wants which room. Now I'm heading to the master bedroom of level 2. Okay, the layout of this room is also exact replica of what we saw earlier on level 1. Exactly the same. The window, the comfy bed, the wardrobes, the study table is missing here though. There was a study table here, but you can make arrangements according to how you want. And there's a window here. There's a wardrobe on this side. And yeah, it's almost pretty much similar. So there's nothing much to show because you've already seen. So now let's see the ensuite bathroom and figure out if that's also actually same like the earlier bathroom we saw. Come. Yes. So yeah, it is also exactly the same without, I can't even say there is any single difference. There is a wardrobe, there is so much of storage, it's exactly the same. I've already told you guys about it. And now we're gonna head to the terrace. So come with me. Okay, I like the terrace. It is so much spacious, and if you see on this side, there are so many trees here, which means it is among the nature. That's what I liked about it, because if I had this place, I probably see myself doing yoga or exercising or meditating here among the nature. I also see a lot of birds chirping, which is beautiful. There's a cat there. That doesn't come with the apartment though. So even though this terrace doesn't face the beach, but it has a lot of nature. The beach is like almost, I think, 2 minutes from here, just a 2-minute walk. So yeah, that's an advantage. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this wonderful 4 BHK villa at Golden Beach Society, measuring 3,350 square feet. And as always, this is for sale. So if you want to buy the property, you know what to do. You have to contact us on the number given below, and we will be more than happy to showcase you the property. And meanwhile, I promise to be more active and showcase some amazing apartments to you guys. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy the view. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and let people know about this beautiful villa. That's it for today. I'll see you soon. Ciao.